Welcome back, Webflow creators. Today, I am showing you the absolute easiest ways to add a fully responsive, custom table directly into your Webflow CMS blog posts so you can display your data beautifully. Let's dive right in. The Webflow CMS rich text element doesn't feature a native table button just yet, but we have a few incredibly fast workarounds. The simplest method is using an online generator like divtable.com or htmltables.io. You just type in your information, style the borders and background colors visually right on their website, and click a single button to copy the generated HTML code. If your data is already sitting in a spreadsheet, maybe outlining the specific chapter timestamps for your latest Figma tutorial, you can easily just copy those cells, paste them directly into ChatGPT, and simply ask it to convert the data into a clean HTML table. Once you have that generated code from either method, jump into your Webflow CMS editor, click the plus icon to add a custom code embed block inside your rich text field, and paste that HTML straight in. If you prefer to design everything visually inside the Webflow interface, the Finsweet Table app is a fantastic alternative. You build and style your table entirely on a regular static Webflow page first. Once it looks perfect, you publish the page, open your browser's inspector mode to copy the final HTML code of that specific section, and paste it into your CMS embed block. For data that updates frequently, a tool called SheetAB is a total lifesaver. You simply link your Google Sheet on sheetdb.io to generate a small script snippet. Paste that script into your Webflow embed block, and it will instantly render your live spreadsheet into a functional table on your site. Just keep in mind that their free tier caps at 500 loads, so it's best for specialized pages. Once you hit publish, your blog post will feature crisp, perfectly aligned tables that scale flawlessly down to mobile devices, making your complex information incredibly easy for your readers to digest. If these table hacks helped you organize your CMS content, hit that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point Webflow tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know which table method you plan to use next, and I will see you in the next video.